Calculator akayikhiphe manje ngiyaphuthuma. Seklasini ke manje it's pure maths. Naye yami ngiphethe. We are calculating. Sanibonani football lovers. Welcome to PK Sport with Bongi Nkosi. Ngithembe ukuthi ni kahle niyaphila. Danko. So x minus 10 points plus x minus 10 points equals to 33 points. We know that in terms of mathematics, in order for you to find your x mele bese sayidini lalo, okay? Ayedwa. So it's x is equals to 33 plus 10. Makasuku minus 10 ayangale kuba plus 10. Bese kuba how many points? 43 points. So ngiyathemba niyazibuza ukuthi ngimthatha below minus 10. In the first round, Kaizer Chiefs played a total of 13 games. In these 13 games that Kaizer Chiefs played, they managed to win 6, they drew 6, and they lost 1 game against Isikhukhune United when they lost 3-1. And the games that they won against Richards Bay, Golden Arrows, Orbit College, Stellenbosch, Polokwane City, and what's this team? Durban City. And they drew with Mamelodi Sundowns, Swelele FC, Marumo Gallants, Amazulu, TS Galaxy, and Chippa United. That's the 6 points. So 6 points plus 18 points of the wins that they've got lawa 6 ibabeka ku 24 points. So lokho kuchazana ukuthi in the first round we accumulated 24 points. Bese ke ku second round so far we played a total of 6 games and we won 3 and we lost 3. So akukubi ngaleyo ndlela, but intenze ukuthi kube kubi because we lost against the Orlando Pirates. Mele sikulungise lo. But before senze into eningi, we have to accept and agree ukuthi in the first round of the league, the players are the ones that should be criticized entirely, not the coaches. Because the games that we played in the first round, Kaizer Chiefs was playing good football. Kaizer Chiefs was dominating matches. And in those matches, there were misses of penalties in between. There were 1v1s that were missed by the players. So we cannot put the blame on the coaches entirely. But the players must take accountability. Because, why am I saying this? I'm saying this because Kaizer Chiefs, so far, Bull League have scored a total of 17 goals and they've conceded a total of 12, which makes them have a goal difference of plus 5. Logo kwenziwa yini? There were games that were drawing by 0-0, that were winning by 1-0. Why? It was because our defense was solid. Because the strikers or the forwards could score only 1 goal, and then the defenders, including the goalkeeper Peterson, will try by all means not to concede a goal. So it simply means that the moment the defense switched and they started conceding goals, that's where Kaizer Chiefs started not doing good. But konke lokho kwenzeke nini on the second round of the league. Ku first round besihamba kahle, besishelela, bengazathi siyinsipho esemanzini mawuthi uyayibamba iyachibereka. But ku second round, the thing is that nale goal difference siyibona lapha, the goals that boosted Kaizer Chiefs are the ones that were scored against the Old College, those 4 goals. But we considered 1 goal. So Orlando Pirates defeating Kaizer Chiefs by 3-0, it cancelled out those goals that were scored by Kaizer Chiefs. So lokho kuchaza ukuthi defensively we were good up until the second round. But the second round, the coaches, that's where we can start blaming them, because we can see that now there's no structure, there's no direction, there's no tactical approach that seems to work. It simply means the team has no direction. So in this second round, they are not doing good. So they have to decide again now. As they've said it before, kwamanye games they won't focus on how good they play, but on getting those results. I think that's their way forward now for the coaches in order to remain with their jobs until the season ends. Good, let them try by all means to do what? To make sure that they grind result. The performances don't matter now. We are in the second round, so it's all about the results now. Because now every team is result driven, not performance driven. It depends what team does give you both. But my point here is that if it wasn't for everything that happened, i-Kaizer Chiefs ngaba yikho kule situation ekuyo manje, because ngabe siku-contender of the title race, not because we are there mathematically, but because of the points acquired. Lokho kuchaza ukuthini? When I started the video ngenze isibonelo sokuthi Kaizer Chiefs is equals to X. We are solving for a variant ka X which had a point. Right now Kaizer Chiefs in how many points? 33 points. So lokho kuchaza ukuthini? Kuchaza ukuthi kulama games ayi5 that we draw, not 5-6 that we draw. Only 5 games Kaizer Chiefs seemed to be dominant, seemed to be in control of the game. I cannot count the game in Mamelodi Sundowns because I'd say it was fairly balanced. But the other 5 games, Marumo Gallants, Amazulu, Swelele, Ichipa, US Galaxy, those are the games that Kaizer Chiefs could have easily won if it wasn't for their own doing, ukuthi banga capitalize. And now since well scored 33 points, uyazibuza ukuthi ngifika kanjani ku-43. So kulama games oyi5 ngi-add labo 2 points abaminosekile, so kuba u10 points. So 10 plus 33 that we have right now, it simply means it amounts to what? To 43. 43 simply means that we are behind, not that much, from Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. It tells you with the 2 games in hand that Kaizer Chiefs have, if they can play their cards very well, if they win these 2 games, it simply means from 43 to 46 to 49. Yabo, if yente say ispulela man guti, efficiency this season was our worst enemy. We could be competing, but we are not, because it's Pumogo wonke ama competitions that we participated in. CAF Confederation, Carling Black Label, Nedbank Cup, MTN, we didn't participate. So our chances were small ukuthi singawina i-trophy. But the thing is, now what can Kaizer Chiefs do better? Because I was browsing through and ngabona ama-stats whereby ukuthi uCedric Kaze mentioned something about the most shots in the league, which the leading team is the Orlando Pirates with 338 shots. But which team is on top of the league, of the log? It's Mamelodi Sundowns. Kaizer Chiefs is second in terms of the most shots. Simply means good today amount up to 285 with a difference of 53. So how come Kaizer Chiefs is not in the top 3 if now they have those good numbers that they registered? It simply means one thing: efficiency is lacking. And if nothing gets to be taken serious, ukuthi bawo capitalize ama chances, we'll keep on blaming ama coaches, because kunama incidents whereby we can tell ukuthi this one is not a coaching moment. This is an individual thing that a player should know. Picking a sport is not up to the coach, it's up to the player. It's all about the confidence of the play. So just imagine those shots on target. I'm talking about even Ulilep, I won, and I'm a shot manning. About the Kaizer Chiefs. We are not clinical enough. If we were clinical enough, ngabe asiko last call, because you know ukuthi nalama wanil besloku swina ngawe. At some point you could besingawina ngama goals are extra ukuthi so yenzani sikhuphule a goal difference yethu. But now, since everything that I've mentioned is no longer alive, it's all about now how can you switch from what is happening currently to making sure we change our fortune up until the season ends. Let's try and take every game that comes, each game at a time, to make sure we win those games. Doesn't matter if we are winning them scrappy, but what is important is to get the points. Because I think they owe us that much, the coaches and the players. Now it's no longer about the coaches, even the players must be held accountable because they know what's best for the club and what's best for them. There are players that are playing consistently, they are not offering Kaizer Chiefs anything, and most of them, they are about to reach their final months of their contract. Do you think those players will be renewed? Their contracts will be renewed? No, it's all about the impact that you have for the club. Take out the matter of the coaches. Let's focus on the players. You see, Guti, inkinga zethu is not about kahle kuma coaches, but a team as a whole. So nayo ke gcine ngiyithola ke answer ke ukuthi it's 43 bengisolve ke la maths. Today we are not dealing with ukuthi sibe theoretical kakhulu, but sebenzisa ibalo in order to see ukuthi where did we fail or where did we fall short in this season. Because they always say with the stats don't reveal everything, but stats are essential because they make you see your improvements and where you should improve and where you are failing. That's the importance of stats. Even though they don't reveal the full package, that's why I didn't blame Cedric Kaze when he did that presentation. Even though it was uncalled for, but it was about kunezinto ongeke uphikisane na. Fact is a fact, and no phikisana and fact. That's how Kaizer Chiefs is facing what they are currently facing now. So players now need to step up. A player like Mduduzi Shabalala coming out loud in the public saying that he understands that he hasn't been in his best form, and we all see that. So I think now we have to limit on booing the players and criticizing them, but show more support and strength to them so that now they can feel that they are loved and they are accepted as they are. So they have to improve themselves. But it all takes one to teach one. Izandla ziyagezana. So according to this season, I believe ukuthi we are not that bad. It's just nje ukuthi in the recent times kwenzeka izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esisodwa. So obvious you cannot solve everything at once. One thing at a time. Mawuqeda la uze la, mawusuka la uze la. So that's what Kaizer Chiefs needs to do. There are many games that are still left to play. We still have a long season ahead of us. We have approximately 11 games to play. And there we have to make sure that we accumulate as many points as possible so that singakwazi ukuthi at least we can say ukuthi even though the season wasn't good, but we managed to improve from the points acquired from last season, of which we've already done that. It's just with this season we don't have a trophy to say ukuthi this is what we have done this season. So that's why others are saying ukuthi this season it was not a successful season. But on the log, I'll say ukuthi the coaches tried, but not their utmost best. If the players came to the party, ngabe we were neck and neck with the Mamelodi Sundowns with the Orlando Pirates. But they always say with mathematically, Kaizer Chiefs can still go all the way. But it only takes the mentality of the players to believe what they can.